So I have a Maniology haul. They kindly reached out and asked if they could sponsor one of my videos, and I'm gonna show you guys everything that they sent me. They're a stamping brand. I don't know if you guys have heard of stamping or you've tried stamping, but it's really cool. It's definitely gonna save you a lot of time at your appointment if that's something you're concerned about timing wise, or if you're not very good at art. This will definitely help you a lot. So I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got. One of the nail stamping starter kits. I chose the one with the like waves because I think that's really cool. It's waves, I feel like, is a design that's very popular during spring and summer. And I'll show you guys the polishes I got. But these are the sizes of the plates. They're pretty cool. They all come with this like sticky blue little paper that you just remove. And then it's like a stainless steel plate. Very cool. You can see like my finger size to these designs is pretty good. I like that there's like a big variety of them. So I did get this plate. So the starter kit comes with like a stamping guide, which is great if you're a total beginner. I have done stamping in the past, so I do know what I'm kind of doing, but they include like a little questionnaire, kind of shows you how to do it, and then they have a little QR code where you can watch a video about like all the tips and tricks. So that's really cool. So the stamping starter kit came with a stamping plate, a little tiny square stamper. This is interesting because I know I've seen like big round ones, and it's a little dirty because I've been using it and playing around, but you can see like it's squishy. You can like poke your finger through. Or you, like, imagine I'm a client and I'm just going like, you just like place it on there. Very cool. I like that you can kind of see exactly what you're doing right there. This is not from Maniology, but I got this like little lint roller thing on Amazon that I just like used to clean. See, I was playing around. So I just like stamp this on here and it like cleans it. You could also use like the little card that it comes with that you use to like scrape. So you can kind of see the difference. This is the one of the Maniology little tiny stampers. I do prefer this one over this gigantic circular one. This one's kind of dirty because I've been playing around, but you can see the difference. I like this one a lot. This came with a little scraper. Clearly I've been playing around, but you use this. I'll show you before I actually demo it. You just kind of place the polish here. If I'm doing this image, place the polish here, scrape gently. The color will be in this little groove, and then you just like bloop, and then the image is on there, and you just go like bump. Pretty easy. So the other thing that came into the stamping starter kit was this small like stamping duo. I think this is like a clear polish and a white, which is always nice. These are so cute and tiny. That's probably would be good if you're doing like regular polish. I don't do like regular polish manicures. I do gel. I have used these stamping polishes on top of gel polish, and it does work. It dries really fast. You don't need to put this in the lamp. It kind of air dries. It's really cool. They also sent me this cute little shaped like a pineapple cotton grabber, so you can use acetone to clean your plates because it is like a regular polish. Oh my god. That's so cute. Ooh. Was given the sticky base coat, which is good if you're doing like regular manicures. I mean, this will be in handy when I give myself like a pedicure. I can do a little nail art on my toes. It's probably like a very sticky base coat. Oh yeah. I also chose, out of all the plates they have online, they have a huge variety. I chose a French plate. I'll put the actual name on top. So it's a bunch of Frenches, and I like that I can kind of mix colors here, and I like these circles and these like half moons. I got this for spring because I always have clients asking me to draw like butterfly wings on their nails, and that's can be time consuming, and sometimes I feel bad having my clients sit there for so long because time is money. So I'm excited to try this out. I got the electric glow colors. That's nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I got 6. They're big size bottles too, in comparison to like these little ones. Like you get a lot. Whoa, that's like a bright like bubblegum flamingo pink. Very cool. This one is like neon. That's pretty. That's like a neon peach salmon color. That's really nice. That'll be nice for summer. That's really pretty. It's like a lavender, a little brighter lavender color. Very nice. Just like a tennis ball, yellow green chartreuse. Very nice. This is like a Tiffany blue. Really pretty. Ooh, yeah, we're gonna have to use this color today. So here's all the colors in the electric glow set. This is a really good color range, and they're really big. So I was not expecting them to be this big, so that's a lot. On the nails, you can see I have a cat eye on 2 of them and like a light pink on the rest. So I use this Après for Once pink and this Cocoas Dramatic White cat eye. I'm gonna remove the shine from these so they're not sticky with some alcohol and a little wipe. And I don't need it to cover like the whole design, so I'm just gonna put like a bunch of polish right there. Take my scraper and go at like an angle, soft. I'm not going really hard, and it just kind of like fills in the whole design, and I'm just gonna gently rock it. I don't want the other image to go on the nail, so I'm just taking this little card and just removing it, and then I'm taking my nail and I'm just gonna go press pretty gently, rocking it, and then lightly remove it. Cool. Let's do this squiggle in a different color. Let's do this really pretty blue. This is Mercury Baseline. Dollop. Scrape pretty gently. Get rid of the rest. Gonna... So I don't need like all of that. So I'm taking the card and I'm just like dabbing off that little area. I kind of want the second squiggle, so let's see. I'm gonna place it like right there. I'm very gently pressing. You could also like put your finger on the other side if you need help like getting it down. But it does dry pretty fast, so this looks really cool. A little bit, I'm just like taking off some of the excess and just like dabbing a lot of it. You do kind of want to move a little bit quickly because it does dry so quick. And gently tap. Remove this. Nice. Look how cool. The set, so I'm gonna do like this circular type of vibe instead. I'm gonna go in with the bright pink for this one. scrape it down like that. I missed a little bit of that pink on the inside, so I'm just gonna dab a little bit more. Do this one. See, if you squish too hard, the image gets like a little distorted. Look how cool. Put a little bit at the top. Lightly scrape the rest on my paper towel. Go like that. And then, bam. Kind of move it around. Move it around town. That's sick. The yellow and the pink. Like an ombre. Sick. So I accidentally got this on here, but I'm just gonna you could take like a little Q-tip with acetone and just like get it off. But this is the finished stamping tutorial and design. I had a lot of fun doing it. I'm gonna include a clip of me wearing these. Let me know what you guys think. Are you gonna pick up some stamping plates, try it out? Maniology is giving me a code that I can give to you guys, and you can use it for a percentage off. I'll include it right here. And let me know what you think, and if you're gonna give it a try. It seems a lot harder than it actually is. It just takes a little bit of practice. I still can totally benefit for some more practicing, but it's really cool. It's definitely gonna save you a lot of time, and your clients are gonna think you're really crazy and super talented and innovative for bringing it out. So let me know what you guys think. Thanks.